What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the new Black Wall Street. Before we get started, quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. None of this is financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Now, let's talk about the market because this week is shaping up to be one of the biggest weeks for stocks this month. We've got a Federal Reserve interest rate decision, major economic signals, and one of the most important semiconductor earnings reports of the quarter. So if you're trading tech, semiconductors, or the broader market, this is definitely a week you want to be paying attention to. Here's market overview. The market is heading into the week with a lot of anticipation as traders prepare for the Federal Reserve meeting on Wednesday. The Fed will release several important updates including the interest rate decision, the FOMC statement, the updated dot plot, and then Fed Chair Jerome Powell speaking shortly after this entire event happens Wednesday afternoon starting around 2:00 p.m. Eastern. What traders are really looking for is any signal about future interest rate cuts. If the Fed hints that rate cuts could come later this year, that could be very bullish for growth stocks and tech. But if Powell stays hawkish and emphasizes inflation risks, we could see volatility across the entire market. Earnings to watch this week. Monday. On Monday, we have companies like Dollar Tree and Semtech reporting. These companies give insight into consumer spending and semiconductor demand, which are two important themes in the market right now. Tuesday brings earnings from Lululemon, DocuSign, Tencent Music. Lululemon is often seen as a strong indicator of higher-end consumer spending, while DocuSign can provide insight into enterprise tech demand. Wednesday, big day. Wednesday is where things really heat up. Earlier in the day we'll see earnings from companies like General Mills, Williams-Sonoma, Macy's and Jabil, but the most important earnings report of the week comes after the market closes. That's when Micron Technology reports earnings. Micron is one of the most important companies in the memory chip industry, and their results can often move the entire semiconductor sector. Micron plays a huge role in the AI infrastructure trade, especially when it comes to DRAM and memory used in AI data centers. Because of that, when Micron reports earnings, the entire memory sector can react. Stocks that traders often watch alongside Micron include companies like SanDisk and other storage and memory chip companies. If Micron delivers strong guidance, we could see a ripple effect across the semiconductor space. And as we've seen many times before, when semiconductors move, the Nasdaq often moves with them. Thursday. Earnings. On Thursday we also have several notable reports including Alibaba, Accenture, FedEx. These companies help provide insight into global commerce, enterprise spending, and shipping demand, so they can give traders clues about the overall health of the global economy. Friday earnings, and then heading into the end of the week, we'll see earnings from XPeng, which can provide some insight into the Chinese EV sector and global electric vehicle demand. Final market thoughts. So to sum it all up, this week's biggest themes are going to be the Federal Reserve interest rate decision, Micron earnings in the semiconductor sector, consumer and global spending trends. Between the Fed announcement and the Micron report, this week could easily set the tone for the market going into the next few weeks, so make sure you stay alert, manage your risk, and watch how the market reacts to these catalysts. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future market updates. And if you want real-time market insights, options trades, and deeper market breakdowns, make sure you check out the new Black Wall Street community. I'll see you guys in the next one.